The film industry, known for its magical ability to transport audiences to new worlds, is undergoing a transformative revolution thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI. In recent years, AI has begun to play a pivotal role in how movies are made, especially in animation. This transformation is not just about enhancing efficiency, but also about redefining the very essence of what it means to create. AI's integration into filmmaking marks a significant leap from traditional methods. It offers tools that automate tedious tasks, foster creativity, and open up unprecedented possibilities for filmmakers. As we stand in 2024, the landscape of animated filmmaking is particularly feeling the impact of these advancements, allowing creators to push boundaries like never before. From script writing to animation and post-production, AI assists in various stages, making the process faster and more cost-effective. Animation has always been a labor-intensive art form, demanding countless hours of meticulous work for just a few seconds of footage. However, AI is changing this scenario drastically. Advanced algorithms can now animate complex scenes with minimal human input, reducing both time and labor costs dramatically. AI's role in animation isn't just about simplifying processes, it's about enhancing the quality and scope of what can be animated. Techniques like machine learning and neural networks allow for more lifelike and complex animations. These tools learn from existing animations, making it possible to generate nuanced and highly detailed characters and environments. By understanding the laws of physics, AI can autonomously generate animations that feel authentic and engaging. This freedom to innovate is leading to a new era of animation, characterized by unique and diverse visual styles. In 2024, several AI tools and technologies have become staples in the animator's toolkit. Software like Adobe's Character Animator and Autodesk Maya incorporates AI to provide features such as auto-rigging and motion capture, which significantly speed up the animation process. These tools are not only powerful, but also increasingly user-friendly, allowing even beginners to create professional quality animations. Another significant advancement is the use of AI for facial and voice recognition, which enables animators to transfer human expressions and dialogues directly onto animated characters. This technology captures the nuances of human emotion, providing a new level of realism in animated films. AI is also used for scene composition and lighting adjustments. It can analyze thousands of images to suggest the best shots, angles, and lighting conditions, which enhances the visual appeal of the animation. Furthermore, AI-driven predictive algorithms are used to test different storylines and visual styles, predicting audience reactions. Dreamscapes, released in 2024, stands as a testament to the capabilities of AI in animation. This film, created entirely with AI technologies, showcases a level of detail and creativity that was previously unimaginable. The project started as an experiment by a small studio, but quickly gained attention for its innovative approach and stunning visuals. The AI in Dreamscapes was used from the initial scripting phase, where it helped develop complex characters and plot lines by analyzing hundreds of successful films. During production, AI generated dynamic environments and character interactions that responded realistically to various scenarios, all without human intervention. In terms of animation, Dreamscapes utilized AI to create fluid, lifelike movements that mimic human subtleties. The reception of Dreamscapes highlighted the potential of AI in animation. Critics praised the film for its artistic depth and technical excellence, proving that AI can do more than just automate, it can innovate and inspire. Pre-production is a crucial phase in filmmaking, involving script writing, storyboarding, and planning. AI's impact in this stage is transformative, offering tools that enhance creativity and efficiency. For instance, AI-driven scriptwriting software can suggest plot developments and character arcs, allowing writers to explore various narrative possibilities quickly. AI also plays a significant role in storyboarding. Tools equipped with AI can generate visual storyboards from written scripts, providing a visual reference for directors and producers early in the production process. This not only speeds up the decision-making process, but also ensures that everyone involved has a clear understanding of the vision for the project. Moreover, AI can assist in casting by analyzing the traits of characters in the script and suggesting actors who have played similar roles. Planning logistics, another challenging aspect of pre-production, is also made easier with AI. During the production phase, AI becomes even more integral to the creation of animated films. One of the most significant applications is in real-time rendering. AI-driven rendering engines can process images at remarkable speeds, allowing for instant feedback and iterative changes. This capability is crucial in animation, where visual elements are constantly tweaked to achieve the desired effect. AI also enhances the collaboration between different departments. For instance, AI systems can automatically update changes in the animation across all relevant departments, ensuring that everyone has the most current version of the work. This synchronization is vital in maintaining consistency and quality, especially in complex productions involving large teams. Moreover, AI algorithms are used to automate the animation of background characters or elements. Automated processes are particularly useful in scenes with high complexity or large crowds where manual animation would be impractical. Post-production is where AI's capabilities shine brightly, especially in editing and visual effects. AI algorithms can automatically cut and assemble scenes based on predefined criteria, such as emotional intensity or narrative coherence. This speeds up the editing process and allows editors to focus on fine-tuning the storytelling aspects. In visual effects, AI tools can generate complex effects like weather patterns, explosions, or mythical creatures, with a level of detail and realism that would be difficult to achieve manually. These tools use vast databases of real-world images to create effects that are both stunning and believable. Color correction is another area where AI excels. AI systems can analyze the entire film and adjust colors to ensure consistency across different scenes. Moreover, AI can enhance sound design by automatically synchronizing sound effects with visual actions. While AI brings numerous benefits to filmmaking, it also raises several ethical considerations. One major concern is the potential for AI to replace human jobs. As AI tools become more capable, there is a risk that they could take over roles traditionally filled by humans, from scriptwriters to animators. Another ethical issue is the authenticity of creative expression. When AI is heavily involved in the creative process, it raises questions about the origin of creativity. Is a film created with substantial AI input still a product of human artistic expression, or does it become something else? This is a philosophical question that filmmakers and audiences alike must grapple with as AI becomes more entrenched in the industry. There is also the risk of bias in AI algorithms, which can influence the content of films. Since AI systems learn from existing data, they can perpetuate stereotypes and biases present in that data. Looking ahead, the future of AI in animation is incredibly promising. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that will further enhance the efficiency and creativity of filmmaking. These advancements could lead to entirely new genres of animated films, where interactive and personalized storytelling becomes the norm. Moreover, as AI becomes more integrated into the creative process, we may see a shift in how stories are conceived and told. AI could help filmmakers explore complex themes and narratives that would be difficult to tackle with traditional methods. This could lead to a richer, more diverse landscape of animated films that challenge and delight audiences in new ways. Furthermore, the democratization of filmmaking tools facilitated by AI could lower barriers to entry for aspiring filmmakers. This could lead to a more inclusive industry where diverse voices and perspectives are represented. As we have explored, AI's integration into the filmmaking process, particularly in animation, is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. From pre-production to post-production, AI technologies are transforming how films are made, offering both challenges and opportunities. The case studies and examples discussed illustrate just how impactful AI can be, driving efficiency, creativity, and even redefining the very nature of storytelling. However, as with any technological advancement, it is crucial to proceed with caution. The ethical considerations surrounding AI in filmmaking are complex and warrant careful consideration. Embracing AI in filmmaking means acknowledging its potential to transform the industry while actively engaging with the ethical and practical challenges it presents. By doing so, filmmakers can harness the power of AI to create more engaging, inventive, and inclusive animated films. The future of animation is bright, and AI is undoubtedly a big part of that future.